my dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, already we have started with the chapter multiples and factors. In that till now we have seen what is meant by multiple, factors, different types of numbers. Today children we will see test of divisibility. There are different tests of divisibility are there. Divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. So let us see one by one. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. So let us see first divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2 means children, then whatever the numbers are given, maybe the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3, 4, 5, any digit, if those numbers in the ones place, if the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, then those number can be divisible by 2. That is called as a divisibility by 2. So let us. If the digit and place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and children, divisibility by 2. It means a number is divisible by 2. If it is one digit, easily we understand. If it is two digit also, after calculation we'll understand, okay, it is divisible by 2. But if the numbers are 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit and so on, then how to check whether that number is divisible by 2 or not? For that children, if the numbers are 3, 4 and 5 so on, what you have to do? You have to check the ones place of each number. Okay. If in the ones place children, if the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, such kind of numbers are there, then you should understand that those numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Always check the ones place of that particular number. 2, 4, 6, 8. If such kind of numbers are there, then those numbers are divisible by 2. That is called as the test of divisibility by 2. Let us take one more example. Now children, let us take one more example here. If the group of numbers are given and if it is asked, identify which numbers are divisible by 2, that you make correct, and those numbers which are not divisible by 2, make it cross. Then you have to check if the number is 3 digit. Please check your ones place. If the number is 4, yes, this is divisible by 2. Here if you check the ones place, the number is 5. Then no, this is not divisible by 2. Here again 18,796 children. If you check the ones place, the number is 6, means yes, it is divisible by 2. Here if you see ones place, the number is 0, then yes, it is divisible by 2. If you check here ones place, the number is 7, then no, it is not divisible by 2. Like this you have to identify by observing the ones place whether that number is divisible by 2 or not. Now children, let us take next divisibility. Divisibility by 3. Now in the divisibility by 3 children, whatever the number of digits are given, maybe the 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, what you people have to do? You have to add all the numbers and you have to make the total. And after getting the total, if the total you can divisible by 3, exact division means remainder is 0, then that number is full. Then that full number is divisible by 3 children. See here. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, the number will be divisible by 3. Let us take the example and understand. If the example is children 8,90,124, the number is big. Now by looking immediately we will not understand whether it is divisible by 3. And if you sit for full division, it will take a lot of time. So what we have to do? We have to add the single digit number together. For example, 8 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 and plus 4. And do the addition, total of this. So if you see here, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 0, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 4, 24 children. So here the total is 24. Now only with the 24 you have to check whether it can be divisible or not. If you see here, 24 divided by 3, in 3 table 24 is there children? Yes. 3 8s are 24. Means you can exactly divide by 3. You should get the remainder 0. Means yes, this is divisible by 3. Means this full number children, this full number is divisible by 3. It is true, correct. Understood? Now let us take one more example here. 5,94,124. Again, let us do the addition and check. 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to. Now add it and get your answer. So here we get the total children. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. So now here the total is 25 children. And if you divide 25 by 3, in 3 table 25 is not there. Less than 25 is 24. So 3 8s are 24. The remainder is 1 children. And this is not an exact division because we don't want the remainder. Remainder should be 0. Then it is exact division. It means this number 25 is not divisible by 3. Means the number which they have bigger number given, that is also not divisible by 3. Understood? Like this you have to identify. If the big number is there, add each single digit number, get the total, and by that total you divide and check by 3. If exact division, yes. If it is not, if remainder is there, then that full number is not divisible by 3. Like that you can decide it. Understood children? Okay. Now children, let us see the next divisibility. That is divisibility by 4 now. Now divisibility by 4 means what? If any big number is given, 3 digit, 4 digit or 5 digit and all. How to check whether directly how to tell that the number is divisible by 4 or not? For that children, what you have to do? Only you have to observe ones and tens place, 2 digit number. And if that 2 digit number, if you can divisible by 4, means the full number is divisible by 4. So let us do and check now. See the definition. A number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digit number, its last 2 digit number children, is divisible by 4. Then that full number is divisible by 4. So let us do and see. For example 1, 214. So what we'll do is from 214 children, only select this 2 digit number, last 2 digit number. Divide and check this 2 digit number whether it can divide by 4. So children, if you see here, 14 divided by 4. In 4 table, 14 is there children? No, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So smallest number is what? 4 3s are 12. So remainder is 0, means this is not exact division. This division is not exact. Means it is not divisible by 4, means this full number children is not divisible by 4. Okay, let us check now second example. 8,534. From this also, first choose or select only this 2-digit number, last 2-digit number. Run 34. So let us divide 34 and check whether it can be divided by 4 or not. In 4 table, 34 is present, children? No. 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. So if we do that 4 8s are 32, children, again you will get the remainder 2 here. Means this number is not divisible by 4. Full number is not divisible by 4, children. Understanding? Now let us check the third example. 7008. Again select 2-digit number. 08 means 8. Okay. Now this 8 we have to divide by 4 and check. 4 2s are 8. Yes, it is exactly divided by 4. Means this full number we can divide by 4. It is possible. Understood? Let us check next example and see. 51,936. From that, again you select only 2-digit number first. That is 36. Now 36 divided by 4, children. 36 divided by 4. 4 how much is 36? 9s. So in 4 table 36 is present, means exactly division we are getting. So yes, it means this 51,936 can be divided by 4. It is divisible by 4. Like this you people have to check for the divisibility by 4. Whatever the big number is there, only select last 2-digit number, divide with 4, and if the exact division is there, then that full number is divisible by 4. If the division is not exact, some remainder is there, then that full number is not divisible by 4. Like this you have to solve and check for the divisibility by 4. So now let us see divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its units digits are either 0 or 5. Whatever the big number is there, 3-digit, 4, 5 and so on, only you people have to check its unit place, ones place. And in that place, if the number is 0 or 5, then that full number is divisible by 5. We have to consider it. Let us see now. See here, a number is divisible by 5 if its units digit is either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5, children. So example, 395. Check out only with the ones place. Here the number is 5, means yes, it is divisible by 5. 840. Yes, here the ones place, unit place, the number is 0, means yes, it is also divisible by 5. 9,835. Again check out its ones place. If the number is 5 present, yes, it is divisible. The number is 7,680. The unit place is 0. Yes, again it is divisible by 5. For example, if any other number is there, for example, 38,417 or 5,813 or 3,711. If such kind of number is there, again you check here in the ones place the number is 7, then it is not divisible by 5. Here the number is 3, then it is not divisible by 5. Here the number is 1, it is not divisible by 5. Means in the unit place, ones place, only 0 and 5. If those numbers are present, then that full numbers are divisible by 5. And if any other number is present in the ones place rather than that 0 or 5, then those numbers are not divisible by 5. Okay, children? So divisibility by 9, it says that if the sum of the given numbers is divisible by 9, then that full number is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 3 are same, children. Here we have to add the number, get the answer, and that number we have to divide and check by the 3 or here with the 9. If divisible is correct, with the remainder is 0, exact division, then yes. If other remainder we are getting, then no. Okay. So let us take the example and check out. Now children, let us solve the example and check. So what we have to do? First we have to add this number 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6. Now let us write the total of this. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8 children, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So the total is here children 27. Now let us divide this 27 by 9 and let us check whether exact division or not. So 9 divided 27 is present children? Yes. 9 3s are 27. So exactly we can divide by 9 here, means this full number children is divisible by 9. Like this we can consider. Let us take next example and let us check. Here 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. Now let us do the addition and check. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. Now let us check 28 is present in the 9 table or not. So in 9 table 28 is present? No, because 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. 36 is bigger. So smaller than that is how much? 9 3s are 27. And if we do that, we are getting the remainder 1 here. Means it is not an exact division. So it means that this full number, that is 68,527, is not divisible. Okay. So what we have to do? Add each single digit number, get the total and divide and check. If the exact division is there, remainder is 0, then yes, full number is divisible. If it is not there, any other remainder is getting, and that number is not divisible by 9. Understood children? By 10. It means whatever the big number is there children, only you have to observe the ones place, and if the ones place, if the 0 is present, then that full number is divisible by 10. If any other number is present in the ones place, then that number is not divisible by 10. Let us take the examples. 5,301, check the ones place. In the ones place the number 1 is there. 0 is not there children. So this number is not divisible by 10. Okay. Let us take next example. 63,890. Here if you check in the ones place, the number 0 is present. It means yes, this number is divisible by 10. Again check next number. 4,32,705. If you check in the ones place, the number is 5. 0 is not present. So this number is not divisible by 10. If you check next example, 1,83,040. Again in the ones place, the 0 is present. It means this number is divisible by 10. Like this you have to observe the ones place here, and in the ones place if only 0 is present, then that full number is divisible by 10. I hope you people have understood all the different types of divisibility today. Please go through all the problems, practice the exercise problems, and we'll wind up our session here today children. Please safe, take care children.